Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a new useful online resource. In this case, one of my own products, a tool on my website called Musical Site, which is all about music accessible for blind and visually impaired people. And in this case, we are taking a look at the Accessible Audio Plugin and Software Catalog, APS for short. And this catalog is meant to list all various audio plugins and software, as well as audio sample libraries, so contact libraries and all the others, and give you an overview over the accessibility, give you a demo, list the price, and so much more. And I'm going to work you through the entire catalog, how you can use it, how you can add products to it, and how you can make this catalog a valuable resource of information when it comes to getting your next sample library, or when you are looking for a dedicated plugin or software or whatever. How about starting right in? I am on the Musical Site webpage, which currently contains more than just the catalog, and it will contain even more features in the future. I will just demonstrate to you how to use it in this web browser here, which is a Google Chrome. We are at the very top of the page.
Heading level 1 musical site.
And we are going down with the arrow keys, and I will just open the catalog.
Heading level 2 navigation. Navigation landmark link home. Button collapse music theory. Link accessible audio plugin and software catalog apps.
Okay, this is the one. Press enter on that and open the web page.
Clickable accessible audio plugin and software catalog heading level 3.
From here on out, the catalog will start. You will find the link to the catalog in the video description, by the way, so feel free to check it out on your own. Now, we've got several products within the catalog already, and the plugin catalog is just going to grow. Now, from here out, we just need the down arrow, but let me tell you, there are a few shortcuts that you need to know to navigate the web page more quickly and easily, and I will tell you what you can do to access areas faster for this catalog. For all the sighted people, however, please note that the web page looks ugly. I've just designed this web page from an accessibility standpoint, and it's probably not perfect at all, but it's absolutely not optimized for sighted users. So if someone is interested and has the knowledge to do that, then this product is open sourced, so you can check it out on the GitHub repository page. Or just message me and I will tell you all the details that you need to know. Right, here we go. Use the down arrow a few times and we will see what we come across.
Heading level 4 search. Search. Edit enter text. Button collapse configure filter. Button unavailable reset filter. Button search.
So that is all you need to know about the search, and we will go through the search process step by step in just a second. Let's just quickly check out the catalog on its own.
Heading level 3 results 1 to 20 out of 157.
So as you can see, we already have 157 products in the catalog, and it's just going to grow. So now you have all the results here, which by default are unfiltered. So let's use the down arrow and check out how the results list looks like.
Heading level 4 link 1990 Studio Grand Piano. Button play demo.
So this is obviously a product called 1990 Studio Grand Piano, and you will find a play demo button at the very end of each link. You can quickly reach it by pressing the tab key.
Play demo button heading level 4.
Right? So if you press that, a dedicated dialog pop-up would open, which plays a YouTube video or SoundCloud link or whatever, kind of something that demos the product. Now, if we use the down arrow,
clickable vendor, link 8dio.
We find out that the vendor is 8dio. We can press tab again.
8dio link.
And click onto the vendor link too if you want to.
Clickable price, $198.
The price.
Clickable categories, virtual instrument / keys.
So this is a keys virtual instrument, so probably piano. Kind of guessable by the name of the product, right?
Clickable OS, Windows, Intel-based Mac, ARM-based Mac.
So this is available on several operating systems, Windows, Intel-based and ARM-based Macs.
Clickable requirements, link contact, minimum version 5.
Aha, so this is a Contact 5 library, as we can see here.
Clickable size, 16.89 GB.
Aha, okay, this is kind of 17 gigabytes in size.
Clickable NKS compatible, no.
It is not NKS compatible.
Heading level 4 link acoustic Indian doll, button play demo.
There we go, so we have finished taking a look at this result. We are at the next product, which is the acoustic Indian doll. Now, We can quickly jump between the search results by just pressing H.
Adagio violins vol. 1 link. Play demo button. Adaptive of link. Play demo button. Heading level 4.
Or the 4 for heading size 4.
Afro plugin link. Alters the voice of an ambient black link. Play demo button. Heading level 4.
So this is quickly scrolling through the search results, right? Let's go to the last search result here by pressing H another few times.
Ambient guitar or band with no next headbands or required bands. Yuri flute link. No demo available. Heading level 4.
There we go. This is the last search result. Let's scroll down a bit.
Click, 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 clickable list with 8 items. Clickable 1. Current.
So this is the pagination. So here we can change pages.
Button 2. Button 3. Button 4. Button 5. Button 6. Button 7. Button 8.
Right now we've got all 8 buttons shown. In the future, when we've got a lot of products and we've got like 10, 20, 30 pages, I will optimize the paginator further to not show all the buttons, because this is going to be really, really messy. But things will optimize and improve over time. Now, the final thing that you need to know is
Out of list heading level 3 missing something.
that you can add products yourself. And this is under the heading missing something. Let's check out what it reads like.
Do you know a product that we're currently missing here? You can help the catalog grow by link submitting an entry here.
This is great. So we could click onto that link and there will be a form where you can fill in all the information and click submit, and which will automatically send an email to me where I just need to copy over information into the catalog so that you get an updated catalog. This is how you navigate the catalog, but the catalog isn't just a list of all the various plugins and software and stuff, but the greatest power of the catalog is that you can filter and search for whatever you want. So let's go back to the beginning of the catalog. Let's press Shift 3.
Missing something. Heading level 3.
Again.
Results 1 to 20 out of 157. Heading level 3.
And once more.
Accessible audio plugin and software catalog. Heading level 3.
This will bring us back to the beginning of the catalog. Let's use the down arrow and analyze the search area again.
Heading level 4. Search. Search.
So the easiest thing to do is just enter some text and search for it, right? Let's do that.
Edit enter text.
Let's click enter here.
Search edit enter text. Blank.
And let's search for reverb.
R-E-V-E-R-B.
And let's press enter. So we've immediately submitted a search. Let's close this down and press H again.
Results 1 to 20 out of 38. Heading level 3.
Okay, so now we only have 39 search results. Let's see what it looks like.
Heading level 4. Link adaptive of button play demo.
This is obviously a reverb. As we can see, adaptive verb is a reverb.
Clickable vendor. Link Synaptic.
By Synaptic.
Clickable price. $250. Clickable categories. FX/reverb.
Aha, so this is definitely an FX/reverb. Great. So this is a reverb, but let's see what else we found. Let's press H.
Alters the voice of Renaissance link. Play demo button. Heading level 4.
Is this a reverb?
Clickable vendor. Link best service.
Doesn't look like it.
Clickable price. $159. Clickable categories. Virtual instrument/vocal.
No, this is a vocal virtual instrument. Why did we find it? This is because there is a descriptive text to all the products. And if we enter something into the search field and search for it, then all that is found in the search field will be searched for in the descriptive texts of each product. So we can see this by opening up the product. Let's press Shift H again.
Alters the voice of Renaissance link. Play demo button. Heading level 4.
And let's check out what a product page looks like. Let's press enter on that.
Heading level 3. Product details for Alters the voice of Renaissance by best service.
Great.
List with 9 items. Bullet demo. Button play demo.
So here's the play demo link again.
Bullet vendor. Link best service.
Okay, so this is a link to the vendor page.
Bullet website. Link https://www.bestservice.com/n/alters.html.
So this is the link to the product original web page from the vendor's website, where you can actually purchase it if you want to.
Bullet price. $159.
The price again.
Bullet categories. Virtual instrument/vocal.
The categories.
Bullet OS. Windows, Intel-based Mac, ARM-based Mac.
Everything is just like before.
Bullet requirements. Link content player, minimum version 5.
Great.
Bullet size, 1.32 GB. Bullet NKS compatible. No.
No.
Out of list heading level 4 product description.
Aha, so we can press 4 or H again to get to the product description.
Often misunderstood and wrapped in mystery, the countertenor is another milestone in Eduardo. Tarilon's series of exceptional voices. Alters brings you a real countertenor for your Renaissance. And Baroque music productions, for films, documentaries, video games, and New Age music.
Yeah, so this is basically just the descriptive text. So you can read through this. This is most of the time just the descriptive text that you can find on the website itself, just for an easier searchability and so that you can get an idea without having to go off this website. But somewhere in here is the word reverb hidden in the description, so let's search it with the NVDA search feature.
Find dialog. E-V-R-B. Or list with 7 items. Reverb amount exactly. Bullet.
There you go.
Bullet dry recordings allow you to match the reverb amount exactly to your needs. Altus introduces a.
Aha. So this is where we find the reverb keyword. It is hidden somewhere in this text. So this is why we actually found it when searching for reverb. Now let's say that we don't want to search for the word reverb. We just want to get all the reverbs listed without some false positives here. Let's go back.
Accessible audio.
And go back to the search field.
Heading left search. Edit reverb.
Let's get rid of the reverb keyword.
Search at reverb select blank unselected.
Great. Let's open up the filter.
Button collapse configure filter.
This is great. Let's open that.
Clickable configure filter. Button cancel.
Great. Let's go down.
Heading level 4 vendors.
So we can actually filter by vendor.
Checkbox not checked ADO 33.
So we can see that here there are 33 products from the vendor ADIO in this catalog.
Checkbox not checked 99 sounds 1.
There's one from 99 Sounds.
Checkbox not checked Ava Music Group 2.
There are 2 from Ava Music Group, and so on and so forth. We can limit the filtering by checking one of those vendors, which will allow only the products of this vendor to be shown on the results page. We don't want that though. Let's skip ahead by pressing H.
Price heading level 4.
So we can filter by price.
From $. Spin button editable 0. To $. Spin button editable 0.
So if you don't want all the reverbs to be shown, but only the ones from a specific price range, for example from $0 to $50, then you could change the 0 in the 2, 3 to 50, and you would get from $0 to $50.
Heading level 4 NKS compatibility.
You can explicitly filter for NKS compatibility, so if you're a fan of Complete Control, then you can filter it to only include Complete Control compatible libraries.
Combo box collapse disabled.
Right?
Heading level 4 product categories.
So here we've got the categories. Let's see what this looks like.
Checkbox not checked audio files 5.
Audio files, which is basically an alternative way of saying that you only get a sample pack in WAV format or something like that.
Checkbox not checked FX 13.
So this is FX. We could limit our search for all FX, but we can also do
button collapsed subcategories for FX.
Open a subcategories list. Let's press that.
Expanded.
And see what it looks like.
FX list with 17 items. Checkbox not checked analysis 0. Checkbox not checked delay 2. Checkbox not checked distortion 1. Checkbox not checked dynamics 0. Checkbox not checked equalizer 1. Checkbox not checked filter 1.
And somewhere in here is reverb hidden. Let's scroll down a bit further.
Checkbox not checked reverb 5.
There we go. Let's check that.
Checked.
And now we press H again just to skip further ahead. There are a lot more categories down the line, so if you want to scroll through all of them, feel free to do so. The catalog, however, is far from complete, so there are still categories to be added in the future, and there are still a lot of products to be added in the future.
Operating system heading level 4.
So if you are a Mac user, especially an ARM-based Mac user, for example, you can limit your search results by operating system too.
Checkbox not checked Windows 156. Checkbox not checked Linux 10. Checkbox not checked Intel-based Mac 152. Checkbox not checked ARM-based Mac 149.
Great, right?
Checkbox not checked unknown 1. Button cancel.
And then to submit the filter,
button apply filter,
you need to click the apply filter button.
Apply filter button. Button collapse configure filter.
Great, now the filter is applied automatically.
Button reset filter. Button search.
If you want to reset it, just press the
button reset filter
button, which is now enabled because the filter is applied. Now we can go further down.
Heading level 3 results 1 to 5 out of 5.
Great, so we've only got 5 reverbs in here, which is exactly what the filter was already telling us.
Heading level 4 link adaptive button play demo.
We already know adaptive verb.
Atlantis reverb link play demo button heading level 4.
Great.
Old school verb link play demo button heading level 4.
Awesome.
Wrong link play demo button heading level 4.
And the 5th one,
Valhalla supermassive link play demo button heading level 4.
So all of those are available in here. You always got a play demo link, and you always got information about vendor and product description if you open it up, and price and NKS compatibility and everything else. Now there is the vendor subpage. We will just really quickly look at this too.
Clickable vendor link Valhalla DSP.
Let's, for example, select Valhalla DSP. Let's click that.
Vendor details for Valhalla DSP heading level 3.
Awesome.
Website link https://valhalla.com/
so the website link,
Heading level 3 showing 1 to 1 out of 1 products.
and then it will list all the various products that we know about from this vendor. It's as easy as that. Now, a really quick overview over how you can submit your entries to the list. So if you know a product that is not yet listed here, but you want to add information about that to our catalog, then you can go to the very, very bottom of the page.
Blank. Clickable link submitting an entry here.
Click that link.
Heading level 3 submit a product to the catalog.
And let's quickly go through this dialog, although it's really pretty much self-explanatory.
Heading level 4 product information.
Anyway, let's check out this one. Product information.
Heading level 5 product details.
So you just have to enter the basic details here, right?
Product name star. Edit required, enter the product title. Product URL. Edit https://www.vendor.com/product.
So this is product name, product URL.
Audio demo URL, YouTube, SoundCloud, or anything comparable.
Yep, anything that is a valid audio demo. Most of the time the vendors provide them their own, like a SoundCloud link, a YouTube link, whatever.
Edit https://www.youtube.com/watchv equals app0123445.
So basically just input any kind of link that leads directly to a playable online audio demo.
Size in MB, leave empty if unknown.
Yeah, you can input the size in here.
Spin button editable. Price in USD, enter 0 if the product is free, leave empty if unknown. Spin button editable.
So this is the price, right?
NKS support.
You can check the NKS support here.
Combo box collapse no. Additional NKS information.
If, and this is disabled now right now,
edit unavailable multi-line, enter additional information when necessary.
If NKS is only available via a freelance sound labs, for example, then you can enter additional information here. As soon as you flick the combo box further up the line to yes, then this input field becomes available and you can input additional information in here.
Out of edit product description. Edit multi-line, enter product description.
This is the product description. If you are familiar with Markdown, this edit box allows you to type Markdown. So our product catalog will automatically convert this Markdown into properly readable text. So you can add lists in here. You can create subheadings and all this kind of stuff. Feel free to use the input box and write some valid Markdown in here.
Out of edit accessibility description.
You can add a dedicated accessibility description.
Edit multi-line.
So if there's something to say about the accessibility, like what is accessible and what isn't, then write this in here and it will be listed on the product page.
Out of edit heading level 5 vendor.
So this is the list of vendors.
Select vendor. Combo box collapsed.
So the only important information that you need to know is, let's open this
Select.
and use the down arrow.
Not listed here. Enter details below.
So if the vendor isn't already in our catalog and we need to add a new one, then select this one and go further down.
Vendor name star.
And then these input boxes become available.
Edit required, enter vendor name.
And you just enter a new vendor name and URL.
Vendor URL star. Edit required, enter vendor website URL.
Great.
Heading level 5 product categories.
Then there's the category list. It looks exactly the same as in the filter.
Checkbox not checked audio files. Checkbox not checked FX.
Except there's no amount of plugins in the catalog listed here now. You just check the ones that you think see fit. Let's press H.
Supported operating systems heading level 5.
Yep, you need to check the operating systems that are supported.
Checkbox not checked Windows. Checkbox not checked Linux.
Great.
Product requirements heading level 5.
They're the requirements, right? So if this product is a sample library which requires contact to be there, then you need to add this here.
No requirements added so far.
This is quite easy to do.
Select the required product. Combo box collapsed. Select a product this product should require.
Let's open this.
Select the required product.
And you find all products in here.
1990 Studio Grand Piano by Dio.
So theoretically, you could make a sample library require a different one, which is sometimes needed because you might have like extensions which require a certain sample library to be already there. But you can search in here. It's in typical input box. You can write K.
Clavia Hybrid Pianos by Audio Imperia. Contact by Native Instruments.
Awesome. We want this to be a requirement. And now we can add additional information.
Required minimum version. Optional. Edit.
So we can, for example, write a 5 or a 6 or a 7 or whatever in here. It's another text input field. So type in here whatever you think is necessary to know.
Add new requirement.
And then you can just click the Add New Requirement button.
Button add new requirement.
Which will automatically move it to above the combo box, where you can also remove a requirement again if you mistyped something or something else happened.
Heading level 5 personal information.
So in the case that you want to be reachable from us, in case that something changes, or in the case that we have questions about the product that you submitted, then you can add your personal information like name and email address here, but you don't need to.
You don't need to enter those details. They're only necessary if I should be able to get back to you in the case that questions come up or important details are missing.
Right. So this is not really important. Just the typical two things.
Your name, edit. Your email, edit.
Great.
Button unavailable, submit product.
And then if you entered everything carefully, the submit button will become available and you can press it and it will submit the catalog entry to me, where I can verify it, validate it, and send it over into the catalog, from where everyone will get access to it. This is all you need to know about the catalog. This is really a great thing that will easily be expandable to over 1,000, 10,000s of entries. And I'd love to see this catalog grow and to be the #1 resource in terms of accessibility products on the market. We can easily add functionalities and features to this catalog. So if you've got any idea about what the catalog still needs to be a great tool that you want to use frequently, please tell me in the comment section below the video. Send me an email, like the video if you like the product, and subscribe to the channel if you want to get more regular updates on topics that are interesting for blind musicians and beatmakers and songwriters and whatever else you can be in this world out there. Thanks for watching this video. Until next Monday, take care. Bye bye.